Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about Levator Labii Superioris muscle injury treatment. Now, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for an injured Levator Labii Superioris muscle from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest you use a specific treatment method or medication to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Levator Labii Superioris muscle injuries may differ. As no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. If you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free Levator Labii Superioris injury treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a Levator Labii Superioris muscle specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed, by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your Levator Labii Superioris muscle. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained a Levator Labii Superioris muscle injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with Levator Labii Superioris muscle injury claims. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation, where we'll talk through your Levator Labii Superioris muscle injury incident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. The Levator Labii Superioris muscle is a muscle located on the head in the mouth area, and its main function is to elevate upper lip. And if your Levator Labii Superioris has become damaged or injured in an accident, we strongly recommend that you speak to a medical professional as soon as possible, as they'll be able to arrange for imaging and testing to take place in order to allow them to see the full extent of the damage. Now, injuries of this nature often occur in conjunction with severe head injuries. Now, if you've suffered a severe head injury, the NHS recommends that you visit A&E or call 999. They will assess you and administer appropriate treatment. There are a number of steps recommended by the NHS that following a head injury, following your hospital visit, you may be recommended to have someone stay with you for the first 24 hours and keep a phone to hand in case any problems arise and you need medical help. Get plenty of rest and avoid stressful situations. Avoid drinking alcohol or taking illegal drugs. Avoid taking sleeping pills, sedatives or tranquilizers unless prescribed by your doctor. Take paracetamol if you have a headache, but avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or aspirin, unless prescribed by a doctor. Avoid playing contact sports such as football or rugby for at least 3 weeks, and speak to your doctor before starting to play these sports again. Do not return to work or school until you have completely recovered and feel well enough to do so. Do not drive a car or motorbike, ride a bicycle or operate machinery until you have completely recovered and it's safe and legal to do so. But you should seek immediate medical attention if you develop any further symptoms of a severe head injury whilst recovering at home. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a Levator Labii Superioris muscle injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery. You need to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way, should you require any further treatment in order to help your recovery. They'll go over depressor anguli oris, depressor labii inferioris, Levator Labii Superioris, Levator anguli oris and Levator Labii Superioris, depressor anguli oris exercise, facial palsy physiotherapy, Bell's palsy and Levator anguli oris facial expression recovery. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim It's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.